At first I wasn't sure about this thing, but it's so quiet. I didn't think it was working. But it does work. And it's so hot when it first comes out. I don't know if you can see the steam or not. You have to leave it in there for a second if you're pouring it like in a hot water bottle or anything. You don't have to leave it in there long. But it works very well. It heats up as soon as you plug it in. It has a reboil or whatever button up here. I'm extremely happy with this. It's made my life a lot easier.
This thing is trash. I just purchased it about a month and a half ago. We only used it once. It doesn't work anymore. I want a refund. Trash. Do not buy this unless they honor refunds. You don't have to be buying these protection plans either. It worked once. It doesn't light up at all. Look at it, brand new. Plastic on it. And we're not thirsty. We got stuff.
Okay, that was maybe 10 minutes. What is it? It's 12:45. And as you can see, it's doing it all on its own. Push lock, which disables the dispense and the reboil button, you know. But, oh well. Guess it's gonna have to go back.
Yes, if you see the brown color at the bottom of the thermos, it's a rust. I just been using this for a month, and that rust just start to build up.
Oh my god, they just pouring water by itself.
difficult to see a career politician who's